Hey guys! So we just woke up from our first night in Cannon Beach. We arrived safely, though it was really rainy.
Really windy and rainy and miserable.
Like torrential downpour.
And yeah, this morning actually is not too bad. So a little bit of blue sky up there, but mostly cloudy.
Yeah, and this is our cabin behind us. You can sort of see it. It's
right there in the background.
Adorable. It's like the perfect beach cabin. And then right down the road, we'll show you in a minute, is the beach. So you can hear the waves, which was really nice from the cabin. And then we're right on the main strip of Cannon Beach. So it's quiet here, but you can just walk down a few minutes and there's everything you need.
Yeah, it's perfect location.
Yeah.
So we'll hit up the beach now. It's early in the morning still, but we've had breakfast and we're ready to go.
Yeah.
So it might be windy, so I'm not sure if you can hear us, but we're down on the beach now.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
One of my favorite spots.
Lots of sea foam. There's
big waves.
Big waves. And not many people on the beach just because it's really cold.
And it's a really pretty backdrop.
Yeah, so this is it. We're just at Bruce's Candy Shop here in Cannon Beach, and they actually make all of their saltwater taffy, and it's the freshest, they say, in Cannon Beach. So this is the kitchen where they cook everything, and you can see like the big buckets of taffy that they've just made. Pretty impressive. So good. I can't even talk. Really fresh. Look at them all the flavors.
Peanut butters, these ones?
Yeah.
Just for these then?
Sure. Yummy. Yum.
Oh, well, yeah, you can just put one in the back.
Cinnamon bears. I would like those. Oh, look at all the chocolate.
We're on our way back after a stroll through the town, and
Sun's starting to come out now, which is nice.
Weather's getting a little nicer, which is good.
It's nice to go in the little shops and see what they sell. Lots of tourist shops, but there's also really cute cafes and things like that. So we're gonna head back to our cabin for a little while, and then we're gonna head to Seaside.
We need some groceries, so we gotta run out and do that in a few minutes.
So after our blustery walk this morning, we went grocery shopping in Seaside and picked up a bunch of stuff
Stuff
for
for
the next week.
Yeah,
And,
breakfast, lunches.
Dana's now making up some pasta sauce
Spaghetti.
for spaghetti this evening.
Yep.
Hey guys, sorry for the wind noise. I'm just shooting this on my iPhone, so it's not great. But we're just doing our final walk down the beach.
It's been a little rainy today, but we've caught a little less rain now, so we're out for a walk. It's quite pretty. A little
Very.
windy, but quite pretty. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.